Kitana L, and I'm a 7th grader at Thomas Jefferson School. So this is my mentor, Anu. She's a mechanical engineer and works at Amazon's Lab 126. And she's been a mechanical engineer for over 10 years now, but she designs echoes, tablets, and even toilets. Some hobbies that she does is she likes to read books, hike, and travel. So some highlights I had was meeting with my mentor, taking apart a laptop, which we got to see like parts of the laptop, and going to the tech museum, making my 3D printed house, and meeting with the electrical engineer and learning about circuits. Some challenges I had was learning the tool SketchUp and trying to use it, making the circuits for my house, and putting my 3D pieces together. So my project is a mini house with circuits, and it's a 3D printed house with a LED light and a motor fan. I chose this project because I really like hardware engineering and hardware electronics, and I thought it would be a cool twist to a normal house. And some future improvements I want to do is add a sound circuit for a doorbell, and maybe make the house bigger so I could add rooms and put the fan in maybe one of the rooms since it's outside. So in order for me to make this, I had to come up with how I wanted to build it, and so I had to do several ways of prototyping, and one way I did it was using snap circuits and Legos. Things I learned was the basics of electronics, like resistors and voltage, and what a breadboard is. And I also learned what CAD is, also like computer designing and 3D modeling. And I also learned some prototyping because I haven't really experienced prototyping and haven't done it before. Okay. So this is snap circuits. It's like a kit that kids could use to learn about like basics of electronics, and I used it, as I said in the last slide, for my prototyping. And this is SketchUp, which I also used for another source of prototyping and to make my final project, the house. And these are some pictures of SketchUp. And this is the picture of my prototype with the snap circuits and the Legos. And then that's my final house. Thank you.